Hi viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. So this is the shirt part of our tutorial. So I removed the 3 inches from my shoulder slope. Sorry, I didn't video when I was doing that. I removed 3 inches from both the front and the back part. So so what I have on the table now is both the front and the back. So see how I folded it. So we can now take our measurements. So my chest measurement is 8 inches. Then my shoulder measurement is also, I also used 8 inches for my shoulder measurement. So I used a ruler to connect it down to the chest line. That's my chest line. And I connected, that's from the shoulder down to the chest line. So please, if you don't know how to cut a basic top, please, so I have a tutorial on my channel on how to do that. So here I'm just connecting my armhole. So remember that we are cutting both the front and the back. So what I have on the table is both my front panel and my back panel. So just look at what I'm doing, you understand it. That's my armhole cuff. So for our neckline, I use 4.5 inches for our neck depth and 3 inches for our neck width. 3 inches for the width and 4.5 inches for the depth. I used my pattern ruler to connect my neckline. So we are almost done. So my chest measurement is 36. 36 divided by 4 will give me 9.5 inches. So I marked my 9 inches on my chest line, and I also added 2 inches for my allowance.
It's a free dress, no need for our waist measurement, so I just connected it from the chest line down to the hip. So I forgot to add allowance for my button overlap. So what I did,
So what I will do now is I'll cut the front panel open at the middle. I'll cut it open, then I'll add 1 inches overlap for where the button will sit. So just look at what I'm doing, you understand what I did. So I'll head over to my machine and join it, then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So I've joined the front and the back panel. So I want to attach the sleeve. from my soldier joining. No. Mm-mm. I'll start it from up. That's where back overlap the front. So I'm making a notch at that point. So I'll start from that point and attach my sleeve all the way down. Then I'll start again from that point again and I'll attach it all the way down. So I'll go back to my sewing machine and do that. So it's now time for us to attach our collar. So I'm taking my measurements for my collar. So what I have is 25 inches. So I'm going over the measurement again. 25 inches. So I folded my pattern paper into two. 25 divided by 2 will give me 12 and a half. So I marked a straight line. So I divided the line into 2. So from this other side, I extended it by 1.5 inches. So using my pattern ruler, I connected a straight line again because I want my collar and the collar stand to be together. I don't want to separate it. So that's why I'm doing it like this. So I came in by 2 inches and I marked the slant line and I connected it all the way down. So the height of that my collar is, I used 2.5 inches, please. That's for my collar. And the collar stand, I used 1.5 inches, please don't forget. So just look at what I'm doing. So I'm just making a slight curve there. So I don't want my collar to be straight. So I'm just adding a little curve there. So that is it for my collar. So I'll cut it off. So it's time for us to attach our button. So I got this snap button from a demo. Honestly, this is not the one I ordered though. This is the one on the picture is what I ordered, but this is what Temu delivered to me. So anyway, I will use it like that since it's my clothes. So I'll be showing you guys how to attach it on the clothes. So first of all, we'll mark the point where we want to attach the snap button. So I use 3 inches. So this is how it comes. So each for the front and another 2 each for the back. So I'll be showing you guys how to attach it. So please just look at what I'm doing. You understand how I did it.